How to remove your Instagram account from other devices. Hello everyone, it's me Smile here to guide you through the way. So to know how to do it, just follow these following steps and make sure to watch this video till the end. Make sure that you have installed the right and latest version of Instagram on your device. Go on the profile and go on the three vertical lines right here. After going this, tap on account center and just scroll down, tap on password and security. And the one way that you can log out from other devices is change your password, because the next time they log into your Instagram account, they should click the password which has already been changed. So that is one thing that you can do. And the next thing what you can do is see where you are logged in. Tap on your Instagram and now you can see all the devices that you are logged in. Now to remove the devices, just tap on the greater than sign and tap on log out. Just like this, you can log out from your device. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then hit on the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. For any comments or suggestion, to comment on the comment section. See you on the next video. Thank you.